Hello everyone! We have an amazing new tool line which includes 3 machines. Today we will take a closer look at the first one of them, the ProtOn wedge. This wedge welder is used for overlap welding of membranes for tunnel and civil engineering application. The ProtOn wedge is designed to weld mainly polyolefin materials. The thickness range of the material is by HDPE 0.5 to 1.5 mm and by LDPE 0.5 to 3 mm. Before we can start welding, we need to find out the pressure zero. For that we open the pressure lever to have enough space. Then we put in 2 pieces of the material that we like to weld. We close the machine and turn the adjustment screw until we can feel a slight scratching on the surface of the material. Now we have the pressure point 0. The next step is now to adjust the pressure that we need. In our example, we have HDPE material in a thickness of 1.5 mm, which needs approx 900 Newton pressure. One step on the adjustment screw is 150 Newton. This means we need 6 steps to get 900 Newton. Never go over 1200 Newton. If you go higher, you will have mechanical damages on the tool in a short time. You can also adjust the wedge and the ride height for your application. If you have questions about that, just let us know and we can help you to find the perfect adjustments for your material and your application. When you receive the ProtOn wedge from myBAK, we adjust everything for material HDPE 1.5 mm thickness. Now we are all set and can turn on the machine. We plug it in and switch the main switch on. We can adjust the temperature on the controller. Just go to your desired temperature with the up and down buttons. The temperature is adjustable from 0 to 420 degrees Celsius. In our example, we work with HDPE 1.5 mm and we want to weld pretty fast, so we can choose a temperature of 400 degrees Celsius and we turn it on. We adjust the speed to 2 meters per minute with the potentiometer. The speed is maximum 2.5 millimeters per minute. Here we have 2 fuses, one for the drive motor and the other one for the heater. This is a protection of the machine. Before you start the real welding, you always need to do a test welding. We will do that right now. The test welding went well. Now you can start to do the welding. If you always weld with the same material, you only have to do all the adjustments we did earlier once. But we recommend doing the test welding every time before you start the real welding. Because of the very small dimensions, it is possible to weld small details, as example a small radius. No other machine is able to do this. The frame of the ProtOn wedge is very strong and made for construction site. With the ProtOn wedge you have a strong and reliable helper for your jobs. One amazing feature is the GPS tracking. In every ProtOn wedge you purchase, you have an integrated GPS tracker. With this tracker you can check the location of your machine. Once it's plugged in and also approx 2 hours after it's plugged out. You can check the location via our new myBAK app. We will start to add even more features to the app soon, so be sure to check it out. Then we have this nice sticker here, which means that the ProtOn wedge is 100% produced in Switzerland. In other words, that's 100% Swiss quality, made in our facility in Kerns, Obwalden, Switzerland, with our employers who works every day to provide you with the best machines and the best service.